Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use VDI to download and save the project files for the first SAM project. So it would be Module 1, Word 2019, Module 1, SAM Project 1A. So go ahead, and you can see right here, we're in week 5. So I'm going to click on that. And we're going to click on Load so we can get to SAM. See another tab opens. You click on Start. And then this is what you'll see when you click on the assignment. So we want to save all 3 of these. So you want to save the instruction file. So you click it to download it. And in Chrome, it goes to the bottom left corner right here. So you want to click the start file, and we're also going to click the supporting file, the picture file. Click that. Okay, so I'm going to go get my file name. So I'm going to click continue, and I am going to highlight the expected file name. All I did was double click and it highlights. You do not want the .docs in it. So you want to right click and click copy. So you have your file name. So right here in the center is our Word document that we're going to work in. So I'm going to open that. We're going to click on File here at the top and click Save As. And we want to go into this PC, so I double click that. We're trying to find the S drive since we're in VDI, so we're going to go to the S drive. You want to go to your Comp 101 folder, your Word folder, your Chapter 1 folder, and you want to highlight that and right click and paste. So now your assignment should have a 2 at the end. That's what it should say. So we're going to click Save. Okay, so we're going to close this. Make sure you don't close out at the top because that'll close down your internet. So click the X at the bottom here, that closes Word. We're going to save the instructions file, so we're going to click on that. We're going to click File, Save As, this PC. Go down to the S drive, click the S drive, click Comp 101, click Word, Chapter 1, and then we're going to save. So you don't need to change that. I have a 1 after this because I've been downloading these files already. So, but it doesn't matter what it says for instructions, just click Save. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click Close Word again. We're going to go down and click on our picture, our support file, so that it opens. So now you have a graduation cap. You're going to click on the 3 dots at the right here, click Save As, and then click Save. Okay, you can close that. Okay, so once you've followed your instructions and you've completed your project, you'll come back to this page and you're going to upload. So you click Upload, and it's expecting this name. Well, I'm using Test Student since I'm a student in Canvas. I'm going to click Test Student, click Open, and once it's in there, you click Submit. And if you get 4 green check marks, it means you're successfully submitted your assignment, and then you would click on View the Report. And your report will download to the left here if you're using Chrome. And that's it.